Going peeps, Ricardo Campbell, Trelawney, Jamaica, farm mash up bad man. Yeah man, this has been over 10-12 days now since the hurricane. And everything is gone, everything mash up. Everything mash up. All my agriculture is gone. Only thing I have left is something called pumpkins for soup. And a little sweet corn left. But as you could see, everything mash up. Can't even get inside the farm without moving this tree. Have to cut it down in the coming days. And mostly all the agriculture is gone. Even most of the farmers there, their cows and their goats are gone. A lot of them run off in the hills and the bushes, never to be seen again. Bush people will get them and eat them. Most of all my agriculture is gone. Okra, corn, potato, yam, banana, watermelon. I even had strawberries, green peppers, sweet pepper, all gone. Yeah man, Jamaica mash up bad. People are going nuts, going crazy, walking the streets at night. It gets dark at 6. Nobody know what to do. You go to bed 6:30, 7. You're up by 10, worried. Dark, no water, no electricity for days to come, for weeks, maybe months for some people in the hills. No food running out, toilet paper gone, macro food, sardines, only thing left, but moving fast. By next week, no gas, no money anyway, no cash, ATMs are down, everything down. Yeah man, help us Jamaica, have to rebuild the farm. There's a lot of land here I could replant. Help the farm. My name, Ricardo Campbell. My US number is 1786-206-1544. My WhatsApp number is 876-376-1027. That's 1786-206-1544. 786-206-1544. My WhatsApp number is 1-876-376-1027. Help us in Jamaica. We need seeds and all kind of stuff. Any donation, you can call me. You can Zelle or PayPal. Call me for the information or text me for the information. 786-206-1544 or 876-376-1027. Help us replant this food before the famine come. In the next month or so, it's going to be famine. We need to have food planted. All right. Thank you. Ricardo Campbell, Trelawney, Jamaica. Also a real estate agent. Yes.